Day 4, let's get at it. We're gonna focus on the 1 minute rule. We're gonna do 8 exercises, 1 minute each, just to prove how powerful 1 minute can be. We're gonna start with this seated march. So each exercise, around a minute or so, we're gonna build energy, boost our mood, a little discipline and consistency along the way as we focus on the power of the 1 minute rule. And the 1 minute rule is simply any task that can be done in 1 minute or less. We do it now, without delay, immediately. Whether that's hanging up a jacket, putting shoes away, cleaning up a dish. This breaks the procrastination tendency. Jumping jacks, seated jumping jacks, 1 minute. Just picking a few of the exercises we've done already, just to ingrain those. And the idea is also, when you're out for a walk and you see a park bench, hey, I could add a little extra movement into my day. Any one of these activities for 1 minute can boost our overall fitness, well-being. We're just building the habit. I'm the type of person who finds moments to move my body as often as I possibly can. Okay, shake that out. So, alternate. We're building mobility. We're gonna be like super young people at the end of this 28 days. Super simple movements. The 1 minute rule is a super simple habit to start to cultivate. And I don't know anything that can change your life as much as that. You start to see things differently. It's like, oh, wait, that thing needs to get done. Boom. I can get that done in a minute or less. And then obviously, we start to build the momentum. Once we start a task, we do a minute of something. Oh, I've already started. I can keep going. I can do this for longer. Stretch it out. Let's just punch. This is a great one. You feel a little stress. Just some punches to beat away negative energy, stressful thoughts. You start to adopt the 1 minute rule. You really start to identify with, I'm the type of person who just takes care of my business. I get my things done, and that alleviates so much stress. Because when you got something that needs to get done and you can't actually do it in the moment, some things just have to be done at a later date. Oh yeah, I feel in the shoulders. Oh, stretch that out. Okay, let's just bend in a little twist. Alternate sides. When that task needs to get done in the future, you don't have to stress about it because you know I'm the kind of person who handles my business. I always do. No need to stress. When the time comes to do it, I absolutely know I will. It all can begin with a simple 1 minute rule. Really stretch here. Yeah. No matter where you're at, if this is all you got, it's fine. Just you do you. Okay. Now can we slowly at first, let's just stretch it out. And we'll pick up the pace in a moment. The 1 minute rule is so great too because starting is often the hardest part. Once we get started, it's no big deal. One thing we can do is we often put our attention and our focus on the beginning. Let's maybe pick up the pace a bit here. When I know I want to go for a run, the beginning, getting my shoes on, getting out the door is often the hardest part. So what I try to do is put my attention onto the middle of the run when I know the endorphins are going to be flowing. I'm going to be feeling good, or the end of the run where I'm going to feel this great sense of accomplishment. If I start to direct my attention there, it's a lot easier to get started. So maybe whatever that thing is you have to do, put your attention on the middle or the end rather than at the beginning, which is often the hardest part. Okay. Shake it out a bit here. Little squats, just to get up off the chair, engage the core, little momentum, use our arms, building leg strength, core stability, balance. It's all here. It's amazing what we can get done. Just this exercise for 1 minute. Especially when you're out on a walk, to add a little strength training. It'd be brilliant. Before you go to bed tonight, take 1 minute. Put your shoes, whatever you're going to wear for your little morning workout routine, put it by the bed. It's the first thing you see. Eliminate friction. You can do that in a minute or less. Oh yeah, I feel a little bit of burn. Good. Shake it out. Yes. Engage the core. Alternate. Another great exercise. You find yourself out on a walk. Hey, let's just do a little core exercise. Again, this can look many different ways. It's all good. It's just the movement that matters. There's nothing better. Boost mood, elevate energy, and some morning movement. Even if you were just to take 1 minute, do one of these exercises in the morning. That could be brilliant. It's amazing. Then you do one. Oh, maybe I'll do one more. Yeah. 1 minute rule and just add on to it. We're almost there. And yes. And B, nothing I can think of for better than for 1 minute to practice paying attention, focusing. Close your eyes. Just sit. Sit up, right? Real posture of integrity. Close your eyes and just notice. Feel the sensations running through your body. Notice your heart beating. And every time your mind wanders, you just bring it back to this moment. Just be here now. Maybe some tingling in your fingertips. Heart rate's elevated a bit, hopefully. All your attention, all your focus, right here, just for 1 minute. Notice your breath. Watch the monkey mind and just bring your attention back. Smile. Life is good. Open your eyes. Come back. Life really is good. Can you add a 10-minute evening walk after your meal? Let's keep adding things on a 1-minute walk. How about that? After your evening meal, see what that adds up to. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and adopt the 1-minute rule. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.